Hi, this is Joe from howtochangeyourname.com, and today we're going to change our name in the state of Mississippi. Now, if you want to follow along with us, you can go right in the description area of this video and click on the link right next to the word instructions. And here we go. So let's just scroll down a little bit. We're going to look at these 5 wonderful, simple name change steps. Now, you're going to have to get the Mississippi name change petition, and that's available right on our website. Just click the link, and this beautiful petition will pop up. That's fill in the blanks PDF. It's very easy to fill out. There we go. Looks just like that. You want to completely fill this out, except do not sign the step 2. You got to sign this form in front of a notary public. Now, number 3, you're going to have to mail or hand deliver your forms to the court where you reside. If you do not know the court, simply look it up by using our list of Chancery Court clerks in Mississippi. And this is just another PDF that we provide, just a quick list of all the court clerk offices, and it's by our alphabetical, so it's very easy to find your district. And we'll go back one. You will be instructed at the date of your hearing after you successfully complete your filing at the court. There's probably going to be a filing fee here. And upon showing up to your hearing, now chances are if you were just married or just divorced, you will not have a hearing. And you'll just be notified by the county court clerk's office that your name change decree is available. Now, the name change decree is the certificate that you will use to change your name at the DMV, to get a driver's license, passport, pretty much anywhere you want to have your name changed. This is the certificate that you need. And that's it. That's how you change your name in the state of Mississippi.